Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Justin Chidozie, the owner of TechWall Data Hub. All right, today I'm going to be sharing with us my findings as a data analyst. Right, previously I became a data analyst through the Google Data Analytics professional course, certificate course, and today I'm going to be sharing with us my Capstone project. It's amazing, right? I'm sharing with us my Capstone project. All right, so that is it. The Google Data Analytics Capstone project titled 2023 Bike Share Analysis. And I'm going to go through them one after another. All right, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and put up the bell icon to get all the information I'm going to be passing through this YouTube channel. Thank you very much as you do so. All right, now this is the business task that we want to do. We want to ascertain how annual members and casual riders use bike differently, and we're going to do small explanations before we get to the main point. Now, this company called Cyclistics is a company that is in charge, of making sure that people have bikes that they use, always in Chicago, right? And they have different types of bikes. Now, look at this. Let's see this. So this is the executive summary, right? So like I said before, Cyclistics Bike is a bike share program that features more than 5,800 bicycles, and at the same time 600 docking stations. So they have up to 5,800 bikes and also 600 docking stations. All right, so they also have annual members and casual members. So the annual members are people that subscribe annually, while casual members are people that just hire bike and drive them at will. Now, cyclists want to reduce the cost of the cost of their business, right? They want to reduce it by, doing their advert, reduce the cost of their advert, and also converting casual riders into annual members. So, since they already have a customer base, they wouldn't want to do more adverts out there. Rather, they want to convert the casual member to become their their annual member, the casual riders to become their annual members. And now these are some notable metrics. Meanwhile, the data source here we used for this is found in this link. That's the DB bytes. That's where the whole data is combined, and we focused more on the 2023 bike share, right? So now this is what we are going to do. Some metrics we are going to focus on, comparing the average ride length of annual members and casual members by month and by day, right? We're also comparing the number of riders, right? Comparing the number of riders of annual members and casual members by month and also by day. We're also checking the most preferred rideable bike type mostly used by the both parties. All right, so let's go get right to it. Now, based on the data that we have and the analysis that we did, we cleaned the data, we joined the whole data from January to December 2023. We joined them together through using the union on SQL, right? So through that, we're able to get the data, cleaned it up, and then did our analysis on Tableau, right? Now look at this. This is the first finding we got. The number of rides per month. They will realize that the bike usage increases across the months as we go into summer, and it decreases as we move into winter. So when you look at this graph, you find out that it's on a rise. From January we are rising. When the peak for the annual members is on August, right? While the peak for the casual members was in July, right? So it has a bell shape, telling us that people use more bikes in summer than winter. It also let us know that the number of rides used by annual riders are more compared to the casual riders, right? So they use more bikes. All right. So now this take a look at this. So on a daily basis, we realize that annual members are using bike mostly on weekdays, and it gave us the notion that most of the annual members are 9 to 5 workers, right? So they go to work every single day, and the bike has to become one of the ways they transport themselves from their place their place of residence to their place of work, while the casual members use bikes mostly on weekends. What is it telling on that? They are casual riders who want to use bike whenever they are free, right? So because the annual members use more bikes on the weekdays, it gave us it implies that once we want to convert, it implies that there is a slight decrease in the usage of bike during the weekends. So for this cyclistics company to be able to boost their business and have more people ride their bikes, they have to invest more in converting the casual members into annual members, especially when it has to do with weekend rides. So the next one says the average ride length per month. You look at it, you find out that the casual riders ride more bikes, per month more than even the annual members, because annual members mostly use it for 9 to 5, right? But look at it now, the casual members ride bike longer than expected, right? Then the annual ride, go to the next chart, the average ride length per day, average ride per day. When you look at it, just like we said when we talked about the number of rides per day, we also realize that the more the